I don't know what I know like the 3G is not compatible or the 3GS or whatever. I don't know how.
So I think the 4S and the 5 you can directly stream. Like whatever you're doing on your phone, you can see on the TV. But the 4 and below, you can't. But it'll, like...
Come here, Kaden. Let's put batteries in it.
Whoa, Kaden!
What is that?
Did you get a vacuum?
No, see?
Let's see.
Another instrument.
No, but I think it's a noise maker.
I thought to buy that.
A vacuum. You gonna help mommy vacuum? Mommy can put you to work?
Vacuum at that place. Thank you.
Yeah.
I need C's.
We don't have C's.
Oh, she doesn't.
We fail at Christmas. Here, while Daddy's doing that, open this one.
You may not know.
Huh? What?
You may not know what that is.
What is?
Is that good?
That?
For what she's opening.
Oh. Yay, Grandma!
What is it, Kaden?
Oh, no.
It's a Lego mat, so you can build your Legos on this. See, look. Whoa! Say thanks, Grandma.
Yeah, that is.
You look towards it, straight down.
What doesn't look good?
Push the red.
That. And
Here, keep going. You're on a roll.
I think
Here,
you
look,
hold
you
that
can-
red piece in.
There you go.
Alright, this has the handle going in.
Really?
Yeah.
Softer. And the red thing's supposed to be released, I don't know.
Well, on the real vacuum. Kaden!
What is that?
who is that?
Is that Tinkerbell?
Uh-oh. Stickers! Look. Look, we can color Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
Where's your instructions?
Right there.
See, I want cheaper, I want cheaper, I want cheaper, I want cheaper, I want cheaper.
Moving on.
I hope I can get Ryan in the back. Trying to figure out that thing.
The real back, that's the only one. And the other one, you squeeze the top and it comes releases it.
Now it's getting it was like really hard to push. Now it's getting and this should be the release for this.
I don't know if it's designed to do it over and over.
How cute is that, Kaden? Look how cute.
Wait a minute, what is this?
Look. That's a knife.
Huh?
That's a knife.
Hello, baby.
Vacuum?
This is adorable.
Mama,
Look at a different, like cotton, like pure cotton. Kaden, come here, open this one, and then you can play with your vacuum. I promise you'll like it.
Go get the instructions, Kate. Get this sheet of paper.
This is from Gigi. Crap, where's my camera? Can you throw me my camera?
Let me Smell? Yeah, I think it's good.
Wow. What is that, Kaden?
Oh, mine.
Who is that?
Are you excited?
Who is that? Is it Tingle?
Yes.
You want her out? Aye.
And a
Look.
horse?
Oh, Daddy.
Tangle's horse?
Who are you calling?
Tangled horse? Oh,
Merida.
that's not Tangle. That's great.
What's that?
Volunteers for,
The box was spraying out.
Grandma doesn't know the food.
You find it easy to work, right? You know what
I remember this spraying out.
Alright, Mommy needs. Who are those from, Kaden?
Titi.
No, not for. Who are they from?
Titi.
Okay. This one's different. This one's like just plain old memory. Like the classic version. That's gonna be fun, Kaden.
I sent Terry text message done. I was like, smelt something burnt or smelt something and thought someone was barbecue. I said, oh Lord, it's a fire.
What's that?
I know.
I don't know.
Who's that?
Uncle Matt must have picked those out, huh?
Tinkerbell.
Aw, look how cute, Kaden.
And this one I got. Addie. Adeline.
Wow, that's gonna be fun. They're little dolls. Here, Mommy, open it up. Open these.
Okay.
Look. And you're sleepy, aren't you?
What do you see?
I'll get that.
Mommy's being destructive.
Are you gonna open these? That's cool, they're a magnet. Here, open
Fancy
these.
paper dolls, huh? Put her dress on. Where does her shirt go?
Different. Like that.
Pretty, Kaden. Pretty, pretty. Here, open these. Those are cute.
What is it?
Dogs.
They're slippers. Here.
Super.
Look, Hayden, the little polar bear. It's so cute. These are gonna stay on your feet really good. They shouldn't slow you down. Let me see.
That's the one.
Look. Oh, so cute.
It's just a
Alright,
shrimp.
here, last one, and then you can play with all your new toys, okay?
Oh,
Look how cute, Kaden.
Forever, yeah.
Who's that?
Papa has it.
Is that Pocahontas?
Yeah.
What are you doing? There's something in there. I think that's for the tree. You wanna go hang on the tree?
Mhm.
Hang it on the tree. Good job! Kaden, did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Can you tell everybody thank you?
They do.